Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare a very simple snack. The, the ingredients that I require to make this very simple snack is I have made instant noodle here, one packet of Maggi instant noodle. You can use any instant noodle that you want. And here I have kneaded 1 cup of maida, that is all purpose flour, with little salt, pinch of sugar and little bit of oil. A soft dough I have made. Apart from all these things, I am going to use oil for frying this. So let's get started. So with 1 cup of maida, I have made near about 7 balls. Small balls we are going to make. Now what I am going to do, I am going to roll them. So I am going to roll it with the help of maida. So now I have made a circle just like how we make our chapati and puris. Small circle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take little Maggi noodles or instant noodles, whatever you have prepared, and put it in the center. And now I'm going to put little water and seal the edges. Just like how we have our Maggi pockets or samosas. This is ready now. We'll keep it aside and we'll roll the rest of the doughs and then we'll fry. Here is our Maggi samosas or Maggi envelopes ready. And now I'm heating some oil here to fry these Maggi samosas. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to fry these samosas. I'll fry both the sides till it turns golden in a low flame so that it gets cooked. Now our samosas are fried well from both the sides, so I'll take them out. Here is our Maggi samosas ready. Looks like this from inside, and the layer top will be crispy. A perfect recipe to put in the children's tiffin, as this Maggi will not be that sticky, and you can use any instant noodle that you like. You can add vegetables to your instant noodles to make it more healthy. Perfect snack for the children. You can savor it with any kind of sauce. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my new recipes. See you soon. Bye.